ngiyazi uzongisiza. How I can see you will help me. Wavula amehlo ami. How I can see you will help me. Wavula amehlo ami. Wavula amehlo ami. Ngiyakholwa uzongisiza. Wavula amehlo ami. Ngiyakholwa uzongisiza. I can see you will help me. Wavula amehlo ami. How I can see you will help me. Wavula amehlo ami. Sihloboza, ngithanda nje ukucabanga ngawe njalo. Ngiyazi uzongisiza. How I can see you will help me. Wavula amehlo ami. How I can see you will help me. Wavula amehlo ami. How wavula amehlo ami. Wavula amehlo ami. Wavula amehlo ami. Wavula amehlo Mhlabathi yakhala ngenxa yobubi bethu. Sibizwa nguJehova ngoba sesifikile izinsuku zokugcina. Wakha izinto ezingakholeki, amadoda avuswa ngamathuneni. Uthembekile kwangathi ungaba seduze. Uke wakhuluma phambi kwababusi, ngaphezu kwemithwalo. Wachazela phambi kwabazalwane, kubonwa ngamehlo. Ungathatha impilo yakho, ungathatha impilo yakho. Wamule Nkosi, wamule
afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me this hour. Before wasting your time, allow us to quickly jump into prayer right now. Let's pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Lord, we return all the glory unto you. Good health, we still have. Sound mind, we still have. Lord, we pray that you give us more sober mind. In the name of Jesus, we pray, Lord, that you continue being with us, touching us. Give us more light in the midst of darkness. In the troubled world, Father, may we not be troubled. In the most challenging circumstances, Father, be with us. Above all, Father, may we not call upon your name and end up in shame. Be with us, Father. Prove yourself that indeed we are your children. In the name of Jesus Christ, those that wish to see us down, Lord, in the presence of them, prepare the table. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Right. I hope everyone is well this afternoon. How is everyone? We are within our New York almost opening session. That's exactly what we are here to do now. We want to see how these markets are, and then we take it from there. We want to see how these markets are, or then we take it from there. Let's look into gold. Gold just hit an SL there. One of our members, Harrison, there, that was a very good entry, my brother. You took that sell, $34. Unfortunately, you did not break even, right? Didn't break even. You were supposed to run a risk-free trade. I don't know what you did. If you did break even, then that's a W for you there. Supposed to move your stop loss just below that entry, and then you are safe, other than waiting for the market to come after you. But anyway, that's our Discord members. You have to also join. Feel free to join. And then tonight in the evening, we have got this interview with Michelle coming up around 8 p.m. as well. You just have to be inspired by this one. This is the first shoot for Michelle. She didn't miss. She joined the mentorship, went for it, and then she came out with that payout. That's a successful story right there, right? So you want to be part of it. It's very, very simple. Joined 3 June, first payout 17 June 2026, total 1,096 after 7 years of no decent payout. She calls this her first success in trading. So that's one of the most inspiring interview coming up tonight at 6 p.m. Do not miss it. It's already scheduled. You just want to go to the link within our videos here on YouTube, and then you turn on that notification button specifically for that. All right, today is the last day we stream here, but I've been praying about it, and just to give you guys some mercy, or for us to continue streaming with you. Unfortunately, we are not going to be streaming only the morning devotions on Monday. We are not going to be streaming the Forex things or anything. And also the students as well. If you are new on our mentorship, welcome to BFI. This also is a pause in July. It's a pause where we are not streaming on Zoom with you, anything. Particularly, it's a pause for your acceleration, right? So you want to now then apply that alone by yourself, and then I'll come and review everything and your progress and your journey as soon as we resume after July. I hope this makes sense. So that's what I want to make as an announcement. And then we come to Nasdaq. Currently on a drawdown, Nasdaq has revisited our first morning entry. That's basically where the market is currently sitting right there. Just our first entry in the morning. So this could be a very good idea for more buys right there, right? Very risky though. New York is almost opening, but we know our direction has always been more accurate than anything. So trade number 2, if I missed the first entry, then I'm entering for the second time as well there. So first entry, second entry, and then this year is revisit of that area. There is a high possibility that this market could sell all the way to 28,347 there. If we break out and shoot down that right in that zone, then we'll need to come out, right? So we look into how many points is it towards the TP first, just to determine our SL. The sell TP is giving 600 points, so at least the SL should be 300. 350, if we give it 350, at least allowance of that breathing zone. So 350 will give it as an SL. That means as soon as we hit that zone, I'm out, right? Those who use mental stops like me, you can still literally monitor that level right there, and then you also size your position in such a way that you can still survive. Right, so let's see how the opening is going to be like. And then as for US30, I was looking to enter during the 50% of this zone here, but I just felt like I don't need to take that trade as well, so I just left it as it is. What I checked was, okay, this is a no trading day data that has been printed for me on US30. After checking that, I also checked one factor again, that we have already filled the buy TP, so I don't think this market would still drive all the way up. So there's a high possibility that today's market could still drive back down and down and down all the way to 50,906.91 right there. All right, so I'm going to see how this market is going to open up like, and then I will pursue sells over the buys. But I'm not yet fully convinced that we might sell, right? So I can't chase that sell right now. I would literally wait now and see what I can do. Well, I could be of the opinion that, okay, let me go long, but I'm in a very critical zone there because there is some levels that were not tapped, that the market caused, the behavior of the market couldn't really reach that area. So this area here is scary, and this one is also scary, so I could get sliced right there. The setup here is not favorable, especially when it comes to the issues of buys right there. So I wouldn't take that buy at all. So if maybe we had not reached the buy TP, then I could be at least confident to buy that, because I know I'll be chasing the buy TP. So now that we have filled the buy TP, tapped it, and we rejected the move of the upper side, then I don't think I should still be confident with this trade. What I can do is to observe 4 minutes of the opening, 5 minutes of the opening, and then I can take it from there. Okay, let's see what Nasdaq does. Okay, bouncing at least at our key zone 29,000 there. Let's see if this market is going to favor us on this one. Right, then as for gold, another losing trade, that one. So today, this week, only 2 signals we got. One became a successful trade. Where is that trade? Where is this one? This is the only successful trade that we got on gold. Only one successful trade. This one, not a successful trade. And then there was no activation on any other trades this week, and only this one is trade number 3. So 2 losing trades this week and 1 winning trade throughout this week on gold. Okay, it has been one of those funny price actions, right? But I'm still very much confident that we might, okay, New York is open, sorry. We might literally sell, but let's check now, because we are on New York, rather chase the New York data over the London session data, right? London failed us there, so let's see what New York has for us. And then New York is printing a sell above 4,087 right there. So this market could still go up all the way to 4,087 there. Like I said, at 20 points, deactivation of the sellers, so we can't pursue those. By the way, see, my mic is literally on a fork, so I want to eat. I'm hoping that I will eat. Guys, W's for my mic stand, please. W's for my mic stand. It's smiling literally. There's a smile on my mic. Huh? W's for that. Okay, we'll see. I will look for opportunities there. Nasdaq pushing up very well, and then as for US30, bouncing back there into that range. If I took these buys, I could have taken it very well, but I want to wait a little bit. I want to wait and see how that goes. I might pursue the upper side over the downside there. So waiting here is key, right? Let me check if I am on the right side in terms of audio, guys. Sorry. Most of my times I don't check the thing, the chart over. All right. I see everyone is here. Good afternoon. W for the mic. Yes, King. W's for this mic. This mic stand is good. We are eating with it. Let's see if we shall enjoy ourselves. Let's see. Let's see. This means the kitchen is suffering most. Okay. Still no pressure to the up. Quite a very tough week, if I'm being honest, but good sales were seen on Monday. Very good sales. Buys on Tuesday, beautiful. Then the sell on Wednesday failed, and then Thursday no trade at all. Tried a sell again, failed, and then Friday no trade as of yet as well. So this week has been one of the toughest weeks, I think I would say, in the markets. Yeah, but we will conquer, we'll survive, right? Very strong upper side. These buyers were trying their best, and that's why we failed on all our sales that we were looking for there. So we'll see how that goes. And then Nasdaq is declining below our key zone of the day. We shall see if we'll gain any positivity in this. Well, Nasdaq is still favorable. Our buy TP has not been attempted as of yet, so we can still survive this one. Let me see what it does. Gold, no movement, just hanging there on our SL, right? So no trade there. Nasdaq melting. All right, remember I have a position here and I have a position here, so these are two positions currently negative. Good afternoon, Michelle the trader. How are you doing? All right, we do have a new partnership program that we are going to be introducing. This is our new partner program coming through to all the BFI members. Let's read through while we are just monitoring these markets. Let's read through this page together and see what is BFI partner program. Helping you earn while helping others succeed. You understand? Helping you earn while you are helping others succeed. For years, the growth of Bonang Financial Institute has been driven by exceptional financial education and producing successful traders, right? And then that's a button for you to become a partner. What is the BFI Partner Program? The BFI Partner Program is an exclusive referral partnership for Bonang Financial Institute students. Earn commission by referring new students to BFI and help others transform their trading journey as well. So you earn a commission: starter partner 6% commission, entry level commission, performance partner 10%, unlocked through performance. This is unlocked through performance. And then there's an elite partner 15% commission. So you earn a commission for each and every referral that you bring to Bonang Financial Institute. You also earn 10% as soon as one referral has been made by you. And then the elite one, 15%. This is the highest partnership level. The more you bring people to us at Bonang Financial Institute, the more you earn commission. All right, why we created this program? You know someone who needs this course. What do you receive if you refer them, right? The BFI Partner Program rewards students for helping others access quality financial education. Exclusive to BFI students. This opportunity is available only to Bonang Financial Institute students. The reason is you cannot sell what you do not understand. So we are not expecting a stranger online to apply for this partnership. You can't sell what you don't understand, right? And why become a BFI partner? You earn commission from every successful referral. help aspiring traders grow with BFI, unlock higher commission levels, build an additional income stream, right? So that means Bonang Financial Institute becomes part of your streams of income, right? Whatever you get paid for bringing whoever you bring to us, right? Why should you apply? Who should apply? Sorry. Who should apply? Current BFI students, successful BFI traders, believers in the hybrid med strategy, individual passionate about helping others succeed. So the partnership cannot be given to whoever has not tested this. So you test and then you partner. It's just like me selling a car that I have not driven. So I have to drive it, test it, and then you understand? You can then apply. So this is going to be your application to become a partner. Personal information, your name, email address, mobile number, and then the country of residence, and then BFI student information, BFI student number. Though we don't have student numbers, you can literally type your name there. We already know you, right? And then, have you completed the maths? Yes, no, currently studying. And then referral information. How do you intend to promote Bonang Financial Institute? And then experience. Why would you like to become a BFI partner? And then agree to terms and conditions, ticket, and then you apply, right? And then what's next for you? It's going to be your application is reviewed within 24 to 48 hours, business hours. That means if you apply on weekends, you cannot be responded to. And then Monday, Tuesday, between that. If approved, you will receive a partner invitation, referral link, reference, or guidelines and commission information. Start referring new students and earning commission. That's it. Basically, that's the new program that I'm building for you. So this requires me to sit down and study each and every thing that we do. At the same time, also restructure the growth for both of us, your success and the success of those that you bring. Well, your name is very, very much important. So we want to also make sure that people are also proud of you. The more you refer people and the more they succeed, your name also becomes one of those names that are written in the book of life. In the book of life, the life of those that you have transformed. You understand? So we are really, really proud of that. So that's the new program that I'm bringing to each and every BFI members, right? So you are welcome to partner with me, and be part of this. We are looking to come up at the end of July with extraordinary setups, extraordinary growth as well. So let's focus. The aim is to focus. Now look at this. This was the sale of yesterday. That's the one that is currently playing after taking me out. Do you see that? Do you see that? So I've been attempting these sales for a very long time. So now I'm hesitant on them from Wednesday, Thursday, and then now I'm like, no. I think it's not my week anyway. All right. So that's what I can say. It's not my week on this one. So we'll see how it goes. And then as of Nasdaq, there's not much of volume, no rejection or signs of rejection in that zone. But we'll see what happens in the next 20 minutes and at the closure of that opening candle, H1 candle. I hope this makes sense. Why do I have two mics on? Sorry. Two mics are on here. Otherwise, are you happy with the announcement of the partnership? Let me see you guys on the comments. Are you happy with the announcement? I'm well, Michelle. I'm well. Let me see those that are also interested with that as well. Other mic is for backup. Imagine two mics and backup mic. I can imagine picking every sound around. Come on, Nasdaq, come on. I haven't opened a position on US30, so I'm still monitoring it during this opening. At least I should close with a very good recover setup here, you see. So I'm waiting and waiting. Okay, Nasdaq should save me as well. In case we can't hear his voice, at least we can hear it twice. Somebody says repeat, please say I just joined. Okay, let's hear first the comments of those who are listening. Let's hear the comment of those who are listening. Jesus Christ, where is... Did I even... I think I have now deleted the thing. Okay, there we go. Repeat. Oh, you just joined. I was saying to you, you are the one, Harrison. You were supposed to break even on a very beautiful trade that you took. That's what I mentioned earlier. I said, this brother, you had a very beautiful sell there. We took it very nicely. Did you break even was the question, because here now, that's a very good trade. You were just supposed to then add your SL below entry, looking at the fact that we don't use stop losses really. So did you break even there? So my advice was just to you, like, no, that was a very beautiful setup. We entered very well. What we needed is just to break even so that we can be safe than anything. So the trade was a beautiful one, but it ended up at an SL, right? There we see it there. That was it. That's the drop, very beautiful drop, and then it went all the way up. So break even, if you did, then it's a W for you. You are safe. But if you didn't break even, then it's an SL for you. Right, that's what I was saying. And then we do have an announcement for partnership, a new program that we just introduced. We haven't made it live as of yet. It's not yet live on our page. I think by Tuesday or any other day, you should be able to, from Monday, you should be able to apply for this partnership. Why do you think US30 is dumping after going higher after 2 days straight? Okay, at this point, I think it has reached the roof. Me myself, I'm a data guy, ne? So me being a data guy, I think this was what I was expecting to be tabbed. This data here of 52,000. 442 as my final TP of the 50. So we just hit it. You see, we just hit that TP on the buys from the 5th. You see, where is that entry? Let's see, 5th of this month. You see, this was the entry area. So this buy just hit that TP. Let me show you. This thing is too much. Let me just switch off the indicator for now, and then we already see that. Let's say we took these buys here, my brother, maybe somewhere here, right, somewhere here, and then we are targeting that TP there. That's the one that just got smashed right now, you see. So it arrived after so many fluctuations and struggles. We got there yesterday, boom, and then the market is now declining from that range. The market could still decline. If you check it on a wider view, it can still decline to come and fill this gap here. See that one? So it should sell. It cannot go up forever, this thing, never. So it reached the price that it was looking for, and then now it's dumping. So that's the main reason why this thing is selling today, I think. Most of the times, I think if you check our trades, every time we reach a target, the market goes against or reverses. You see, it doesn't continue. So basically, that's what is happening right there. If I'm to give you my opinion, right. Nontando says good. Thank you. Thank you. Greatest of all times. And then on Monday, we had a sell that we anticipated that it will come here, right? Remember? So this could just be the one now that we are expecting, 50,911. So price could still dump this whole clean range and give us something, right? But I just don't like the volume this week, so it's not good for anything. The buy TPs were already hit, so we can't really chase it. So now the range between 52,000 there, we are praying that this 52,000 will hold as a support. If we break above 50 that 51,900 and 52,000, then it means we are bullish. We might continue being bullish. So where we are sitting right now is an indecision that is currently going on. The market could still decide to go up or down for the next coming week. I think this week could be a very interesting one in terms of gap trading. So towards the end of or the closure of the market, I want to just go on a live broker and add my positions towards whatever that the data that Xauusd is going to send me is saying. Whatever Xauusd is going to send me on my emails, I'll use it to trade over the weekend. I add my orders and I use that number as TP and I sit and hold. You understand? So the Monday opening could open with a very good corrected structure. Nasdaq still attempting to go to the TPs, but very, very much slow. See, guys, there's a mosquito here. It wants to bite me. Right? So that's it. Gold, we have a sell that we want to take around, which is going to be my final sell for the week, 4,087 right there, and then we see what it does. Okay, so no much volume. We're still sitting at that range. 1 minute to go. If we close below that range or inside that range of 29,000, it means we are going to push all the way to that buy TP on Nasdaq, right? I like it because it's just sitting there. It's not even going up, down further. Though there is a price owing to be tapped. We might tap the TP first before we tap the sell. Okay. Or you entered at 4,054. Michelle D says is a good initiative. The upcoming pause for my acceleration in July gives me chest pains. Sure. What's happening? Knox, what's up? Talk to me. You think that we don't have a trader support anymore? We are with you. Nelson says that's great move on BFI growth side. Thank you so much. Repeat please. Okay, let me repeat. Now the repeat that I'm going to give now is literally based on the final announcement, guys. Some people just joined now. Harrison, are you there? Before I talk, please reveal yourself. Are you there? Maybe before I talk about this, are you here? I'm doing it for you now. 34 minutes gone and still we are sitting in one position. We haven't gone beyond. Thank you guys. Make sure you like. Scrap it and wear the helmet. Harrison, where are you? This guy. Are you here? Oh, you are not here. I'm not yet in any trade on this US30. Not yet in any trade. Please, that logo written subscribe is very important. Michelle D says I will definitely join. Thank you. Okay, Harrison seems to be not here, so I can't repeat that. So I can't repeat that until he comments. There we go. Nasdaq pushing. Let's see. And remember, this was our initial first entry where we are sitting there, so it's fine. We are in the right position. I don't understand the the meaning of the word SKWE, and also Michelle, I don't understand the meaning of that word. It says, Michelle, how does why are your glasses SKEW? What does that mean? What does that mean? And then how does that feed you that my glasses oh. Shoo. Phew. Phew. US30 is not doing anything, guys. It's literally declining here. Okay, let me see those who were able to sell US30. Did you sell US30 from here, guys? Is there anyone who is on sales on US30? Whoever you are you here? Oh, how did you see those sales? Sure, RT. This is now a war, my friend. Harrison is gone. He's not here. How many likes do we have now today? We have got instead of straight. Oh, I see. Let me see. How did you see the glasses of Michelle? Let me see, Michelle. How are your glasses? Sure, guys, but how do you say these glasses are slant? I'm trying to check your glasses, Michelle. Sure. Guys, how are the glasses of Michelle? Those glasses look like they are of a profitable trader, these ones, my friend. This is a rich trader, this one. You don't see that these glasses are not cheap. Yo, you can see there those glasses are not cheap glasses, bro. So you were able to go to her profile and check the glasses. Well, I'm gonna be horror. You are a problem. This Biora guy is a problem. What are you looking for in people's glasses? Yo, Biora, no. US30 is out of energy. Took along this morning and should have taken my unread and I'm away. I see. Bro, this thing. Now the long hit the TP was for me. I couldn't take anything, so I missed it. Right now, also I don't see any fuel. So I think this market is still. If we check where I lost this week, this area is the area of consolidation and uncertainty there. So hey, that's bad. And I'm very grateful, guys. I haven't opened any position on my funded account. 4 million. I haven't. So Monday is going to be day one for me. I haven't. And with these markets like this, I think now I will be bleeding and begging the markets to return the money back. You see. There we go. Nasdaq pushing up very, very well. Very, very well. Nasdaq doing up very well. Well, these buys could still work, but Michelle, this one is very bad. Honestly. Yo. No. Let's wait for 4 o'clock. You see, Michelle, we might get some good volume. But Nasdaq, I gave you something. Michelle, how can you miss this one? How do you miss this one? Michelle, how? Tell me. Nah, this one was analyzed very well. Okay, so particularly as we learn, remember, throughout our trading streams and everything, our education has always been simple. These markets are wild. So even if I took this buy here, I did explain that this was my initial first entry if I didn't come late. So coming late means it might continue rallying, so I'm gonna enter there. I still accommodate this market retesting and whatsoever. So this here is a beautiful trade. Very, very beautiful. Even the New York entries, very good. Like trades. Okay. Harrison, I still need to repeat this for you. Where are you? Scalp buy is okay. King. Somebody says we are focused on glasses, not trades. When you open a position and make profit, please pass 50 cent e-wallet. I'm not asking for much. You mean me, myself? I'm going to be trading on a classic account, so it will take me 14 days to be able to do you e-wallet, my brat. 14 trading days. 14. And remember, it's not daily trades. It's today, tomorrow, maybe after 3 days after this, until 14 days has been recorded. And I want to record that journey as 14 days of no loss. And I will post it here for you to see and comment. Then I e-wallet you. Right. Guys, don't forget to join our Discord. We might be much busy on Discord this coming month. So introducing new things, games, this and that there. We might be very, very busy. Nasdaq pushing. Let's see if we might get something more here. Yeah, and Nasdaq is a very nice trade. I'm expecting it to push up all the way to that TP there. Right, 4 o'clock, there we go. And then as for US30, right, we closed be inside this zone. That means I'm going long right there, going long, and I'm targeting that high, right? So that's my key zone there. So I'm going in on US30. Please, you want to be careful on that one. But there we go. I'm going long just at the CV right there. I'm inside my zone. I checked my mirror. My mirror says I'm inside my zone, right? I'm inside my key zone there. So let's see if that long is going to play out very well. And then I'm going to SL right at 51,623 there as my SL. Final SL, I'll stop loss around this zone. So let's see what it does. Position taken. Let me check my trading, my MT5, right? That's it. See. Right, perfect. Oh, just took buys. New York scales buys, made profit out. I stay out today, start fresh week W. Right. Yeah, that's my entry point now. I feel comfortable to enter there because we closed inside that range. So I'm very, very comfortable to enter there. Let's see what it does. Okay. So I'll see. Let's see. And then Nasdaq, boom, 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 boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. On this same long, was wondering where you were this morning. In the morning, I didn't do anything, my friend. So I'm taking it now. I'm taking it now. Let's see if we are going to enjoy this one. I think 52,000 is trying to be a strong support, so that's what is expected of these markets. Okay, gold is likely going to give us another selling opportunity around 48,087. Let's see. Oh, so you are not on any SL, my brother. So I'll be selling around 4,087. And then I'll be stopping loss around 410. So there are always new setups, yeah? Setup, London setup failed. In New York, let's see what New York setup would do. Mr. W, you are a blessing. Thank you. Thank you. You are a blessing too for watching me. Because you know I'm monetized now. I make money for talking. You understand? So the more you view and you play some ads while you are viewing me, I make money. So now I'm very monetized. The more we watch, the more money I make. There we go. Let's see US30. Come on, my friend. Drive. I got a sniper on US30. Hope I pass phase 1. Shoo! Enjoy yourself. So you were entering from the lower level. Okay, enjoy yourself. Myself, I'm happy price closed inside that range. Then I'm expecting it to push up. Let's see what it does. So 2 positions running, Nasdaq, and then US30 fresh position right there. Okay. And then do not forget, this is the announcement that I'm repeating again. Where is Harrison? Did you reply? Oh no, not yet. This guy, if you come here, you rewatch this one, it's fine. But guys, this year is going to be our new program. We are introducing BFI partner program. BFI is not FBI. You understand? BFI is not FBI. So BFI partner program, BFI stands for Bonang Financial Institute, right? And then partner program is what we are introducing, particularly, let's see what it says. Helping you earn while helping others succeed. So we are going to be helping you earn while you are helping others succeed. For years, the growth of Bonang Financial Institute has been driven by exceptional financial education and producing successful traders, right? Profitable traders, right? And then there's a become partner there. What is the BFI partner program? The BFI partner program is an exclusive referral partnership for Bonang Financial Institute students. Earn commission by referring new students to BFI and help others transform their trading journey, right? Then you earn commission. We have got a starter partner where you earn 6% by default. Entry level commission, right? And then we have got a performance partner, 10% commission, unlocked through performance. So this one is unlocked through performance. Your performance can promote you. And then we go to elite partner. Our elite partner is 15%, highest partnership level, right? That's our highest partnership level. And then why we created this program, you know someone who needs this course. What do you receive if you refer them? The BFI partner program rewards students for helping others access quality financial education. I think we should say quality trading education so that it doesn't look like we're giving financial advice here, right? And then exclusive to BFI students, right? This partnership is exclusive to BFI students. This opportunity is available only to Bonang Financial Institute students. You cannot sell what you don't understand, right? You cannot sell what you do not understand. Why become a BFI partner, earn commission from every successful referral, help aspiring traders grow with BFI, unlock higher commission levels, build an additional income stream. And then who should apply? Current BFI students, successful BFI traders, believers in the hybrid method strategy, individuals passionate about helping others succeed. It's not about you here, it's about others. It's about others. Apply to become a BFI partner, personal information, your name, email, mobile number, country of residence, and then BFI student information, BFI student number, really your name. We know you by name. Then date. The day you might literally not be sure. If you are sure of your records, you can literally tell us when you joined us. Have you completed the course? Yes, no, currently studying. How do you intend to promote Bonang Financial Institute? It's a question where you're going to type and type and type and type. And then experience. Why would you like to become a BFI partner, right? And then terms and conditions, you agree to them, you apply. And then what's next after application? Your application is reviewed within 24 to 48 hours, business hours. If approved, you will receive your partner invitation, referral, reference, link, guidelines, and commission information. Start referring new students and earning commission from there. Literally, we are growing. Very soon we'll be telling you we have got a new broker now from us. We are growing. It starts like this, my friend. It starts like this. You play. It starts like this. There we go. US30. Michelle, why didn't you check that one? Michelle, why? Nasdaq, buy, smooth. And then US30, buy, smooth. Tell me why. Now you don't trust me as your mentor, right? That's a joke. That's a joke. That's a joke. So that's the mentorship that we have. Oh, this amazing one. Okay, the nice one. Beautiful. Okay. All right, I'll go in small. Beautiful. W's for you there, Michelle. I got a sniper entry on US30. All right, smoothness. Yes, I also want. I went in at a lower range, closed at the cap or at the CV. All right, let's see. Bonang, what do you do if you are unsure about a trade? Do you look away, eat instead? How do you conquer the fear of losing? Myself, I trade many accounts, so I don't care what an account does, if I'm being honest with you. And again, Bihor, do you know that I'm not scared? Fear is not the fruit of the spirit. Fear is not the fruit. Fear, let me send you a scripture. The good part about this trade, as explained, Bihora, we are learning. Thank you so much for that question. It's important that you ask this question so that I have a reason to continue talking. You do get my point. So we are educating each other. So asking questions shows that you are interested in learning. So that's very, very important. But now if you ask challenging questions to my personal life, then we fight. Yes, because now you want to steal my peace. You understand? So as for education, let's educate ourselves right now. Let's look into the fruit of the Spirit. This is Ephesians 4, verse 12, fruit of the Spirit. I just Googled this. It's not my source. Project 2412 is not my source. So that's a disclaimer. Under Galatians 5:22 to 25, this series walks a church through the Spirit fruit, one step at a time. Each week name faces joy and Neymar, I'm looking for a scripture, bro. I'm not looking for this thing that you are telling me. Where is that Galatians? Open Galatians 5. Don't be talking things that I don't understand. How? This one wants to mislead me here. Open the Bible, Baba. Don't be talking. Right, there we go, my brother. Galatians chapter 5, 22 to 25. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, and faithfulness. So if I lack any of these things, I am not producing the fruits of the Spirit. If I don't have love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, and faithfulness. This faithfulness is very complex, because to be faithful is to say things as they are. That's faithfulness. It means you display things as they are. Then the outcome of the reactor of whoever you are being faithful to is none of your business, but you are being faithful to that person. You are telling them the truth, what is on ground. And then gentleness. You see why I'm gentle? And then self-control. You see why I'm self-controlled? Against such things, there's no law, there's no judgment. Which means if I want to go to heaven, my brother, I have love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. I'm going straight to heaven, because there's nothing that will judge me. There's no law against such. Those who belong to Christ Jesus have crucified the flesh with its passions and desires. This does not mean we cannot work. Because some of the people, they say, if you are a child of God, you don't even care about money. No. At the same time, I have a landlord who needs money every month. I have a landlord. My mother didn't leave me anything here. So I don't have an inheritance where I'm going to stay and sleep in my mother's home. If I had any inheritance, then I can sit and disappoint myself and say, no, my mother worked for me. I don't have. I have to go for these things. Right? Okay, since we live by the Spirit, let us keep in the step with the Spirit. Right? Faith without action is also dead. So I don't fear. So what I do, Pihora, I wait and sit very well. Like I did here, I waited, and then the closure there told me that I can jump in. So that closure gives me confidence that this one, do you know, Pihor, that my strategy is very dangerous, my brother. There are key zones that were tapped here, all of them. Previous close was tapped, the key zone was tapped, the CV was tapped, the TP was also tapped. Now, according to my strategy, today alone, the next price to be tapped is this key zone here. So that gives me confidence that we have to go there. Even if we close the market somewhere here, I'm opening full margin. Weekend, we are jumping there. Trust me on this one. You understand? So that's how I do it. So I don't fear. Though I have got losses, but I'm not scared. I know I can still do it again. That's why if I lose today, I know I can still make it back. In many times. I have done it many times. Do you know that I have got repeated history? Okay, let's do it this way. I'm going to log into my TopStep account. I want to count with you how much I have withdrawn just from TopStep. And this does not mean I trade with TopStep alone. You understand? Sure, this thing wants me to authenticate if it is me logging in, so then I can't. That's the problem. It shouldn't do that. It should just take me straight to my dashboard. It can't. Sorry, it can't. I was going to show you the payouts I have on TopStep. I don't think I have the screenshot, so I can't really talk about it. But it's almost $60,000 performance alone from TopStep. TopStep alone. This is right there. We go. Sell activated on gold. Second setup activated. Sells right now on gold. Let's see what it does. Right, there it is. Let's see if we'll survive this one. Let me set my This is the second trade for the day. It could work, could not. So let's see what it does. There we go. Second setup. Okay, my SL is 4,107, and particularly because I use 10 as my initial L, and then I add 10 just for accommodative purposes. If I survive 10, then I'm in holding that position. There we go. Let's see what gold sells do. Right, we have TP1 for New York around where we took our SL from, so we'll see how that goes. And then for Nasdaq, pushing up very well. Guys, I'm streaming for a bit longer today because we can only come out of this trade as soon as we have reached maybe the CV also. It's very, very important that we educate you guys. Okay, so I'm not afraid. Yes, I did. There's no way you can get a funded account without it, my brother. You pay. Who do you think those guys, they'll give you money for you to just trade without paying them? They make money from you as well, so you pay. Yeah, you pay, Baba. But it takes 7 days to make a payment, right? So you take your time. It's up to you when you want to pay, but within 7 days. Right. Michelle says I went in again. Okay. Me learning or teaching you, Michelle, is when you decide to take a trade. For me, if I had that mind to say I'm buying, if I was you in the beginning, I have all my mirrors checked. Okay, we ticked the TPs, we ticked everything. So now if I take this position here, it means I can hold all the way up to that zone. So I am okay, I can hold. So it's literally safe to take one trade than multiple trades, Michelle. That's the advice and the lesson that I can give you as part of Bonang Financial Institute students. To open multiple positions, you can get a wrong entry, and that wrong entry could literally bleed you unnecessarily. So when you decide to enter those buys, you're supposed to just enter and stay. So next time you know very well, okay, check, all right, so I can only exit once we reach there, or maybe halfway towards that range. Then you relax, cruise nicely. One thing that I'm scared of, if one is to be afraid, is to open another trade. That thing is very scary for me. I don't do that. I take one decision, particular based on the reasons that I have confirmed fully, and then I'm in. I don't want to be looking for another reasons to enter again. You understand? So that's one of the things that you must learn. This will make you a very profitable trader. It's not about how many times you trade. It's about where you enter and why you enter. Then you stay there. So that could have been a very beautiful trade and a very beautiful decision that you took, but staying in there was necessary. Very, very necessary. Okay? Very, very necessary. Mr. Financial, yes, you pay 156. You pay 156 for a phase. When you pass, you pay the full amount. Then they give you 7 days to hold, to 7 days to pay that full amount before you trade on a funded account. That's what you want to be clear about. So I like it because imagine losing a phase account. This is what causes fights against others. If a fellow brother asks me to trade for him and then we pay for that account and then boom, we blow it and then there's war. But now if we pay only 156 for me to pass the account, then we are good. Business is doable. But guys, I don't trade for people anymore. That's not my business anymore. I can trade for people from Dubai, people from Zimbabwe, any South African I don't trade for. Look at that beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Hey, easy Jabatota. Guys, can we please type respect? Type respect on the chat. Type respect. Just say respect. Respect. Put some respect on my name. Put some respect on my name. Respect. You can say it in Afrikaans. I don't know how to say it, but respect. Put some respect on my name. You hear me? Respect Bonang. Respect Bonang. So it was 20K for the 4 million. Did they change the rules after you have made payment? It's a classic, yes. When price was coming down, I adjusted my stop loss. When price went into profits, just clipped a bit. So when it does hit SL, I don't eliminate my account. It's basically the same perspective as you. Okay. Mr. Financial, yes. Oh. And then challenge ones. Okay. Gold sales have been activated. Yes. Well noted. Yes, I saw that, but what I don't see exactly is how much I must pay after I pass. All right, let me show you, my brother. It's very important that people want to be educated. Did you register using my link? That's the question. Because now, if you didn't register using my link now, if I educate you here, I don't earn commission. Type respect. Why are you not typing respect? Type respect on the chat. Please. Oh. Type respect on the chat. Everyone, type respect on the chat. Put some respect on my name. So now instead of W's, we're now using respect. Every time we have a winning trade, instead of W, we use respect all the time. That's our new norm. We are introducing something new in the industry. Instead of W's, we use respect all the time. You understand? Yes, exactly, Behold. That's how we do it. Respect. Yes, that's how we do it. That's how we roll. Simple. Yes, we are bringing something new now. We're not going to be at W's on the chart, W's on the chart. No, it's respect on the chart. Type respect. Yes. Okay, guys. Sure, I was trying to do the commit thing. Thank you, man, for that help. Appreciate. Okay, so you must register using my name, and then I help you. I mean, you use that link. Sorry for the name. I don't know why I'm so very much concerned about my name. I always promote the name of the Lord. So this today is always been Bonang, about Bonang. No, guys, you want to give people flowers while they are still alive. Give them their flowers while they are still alive. Yes. So my brother, you come to a classic account. Then if you are buying a BNPL, you compare it with the price of the account size you are buying this size. So if I buy a 4 million, it says with a discount, it's literally cheaper. Discount is 12,000, but if I pay full amount is 20,000, right? So I look into this. Is it worth it for me to pay 12,000 for a phase 1 and phase 2? I don't think so, because I'm risking a lot of money there. So what I would do is, okay, I'll budget 20K, rather get a 156 one. And then at the same time, I'll pay the full amount, which is 20,000 after passing. So your initial amount you pay is equivalent to the classic account of your size. If your classic account size is 2 million, you are going to pay 12,600 as soon as you pass. If you go to classic, 2 million is 12,600. You see that? So you weigh your options, and the psychology part of this is actually good, not to risk 7,500 for a phase 1 and phase 2. You see? Because you can still blow it. Rather, fight on a funded account to defend my 20,000, which is psychologically okay. And it says 14 days on payout, which means according to the contract, it says you have got 2% to make in a day. That is 80,000 rands I have to make on daily basis for 14 days. And I am literally using 200,000, which is the 5% of this account, to just make 80,000. It makes my trading very cheap, easy target. 80,000 is just an easy target. I can just open it 5 lot, 1, 2, 3 candles, I'm done. Come back again tomorrow. 1, 2, 3 candles, I'm done. Come back again tomorrow. 1, 2, 3 candles, I'm done. Come back. I record 14 trading days. When I reach day number 14, I have got 1,121,000. I click withdraw. Simple as that. So chances of survival, they are very high. And we are, Commit Capital is the best, my friend. For me, I haven't seen really Commit Capital rejecting payouts. To me, it rejected only one payout. That was 140 something for consistency rule. They introduced consistency rule just on the exact time I was funded. So when I clicked the withdrawal, they said you can't get this one. You are not consistent. So during the aggressiveness of my trades there, that's when they just say, no, you cannot do this. They refused to pay me. But I didn't. What I love about Commit Capital, the relation doesn't end from a payout denied. They say try again. They don't say go away. They say try again. So because I'm in business of trying to be profitable, I try again. Yes, I try again. The funny problem is that one that will say, okay, you have made a lot of money, get out of here. But these ones will be like, no, you are our boy. We can't pay you now, but we have been paying you. At this point, try again. Does it make sense? Yes, Baba. So these are my payouts from Commit Capital. Minimum, I will show you this page here just a little bit. You can check. You see, I'm very transparent. You see, these are my payouts. This is the page that I can share with you here. You see, this is in 2025. After October, there I faced some banking issues. So because of that, my bank had to reverse all the funds back to Commit Capital. So we had to find another way to be paid. So it delayed my progress with them. You understand? But this is it. You can see here that I have got a very good progress with them. I don't even know why this one is 14. I don't know what happened. It was a mistake, maybe after consistent issues or charges or whatsoever there. I don't know. They can't pay me for 14 rand. You see, so there was an error then. So yeah, you must put some respect. Every time we reach a TP, type respect. I think it's a new culture. If we do that, then July I'm streaming for you. If we can have that word respected, then I can stream for you. Trust me on this one. Are you willing to do the respecting? Okay, so let's count. 204,000, 44,000, 91,000, 14,000, 14,000, and 103,000. How much is that? 100, 300, let's say 300, 400 and something, 450,000 of approved payouts. And when did I start? September, October. So that's basically That's just the 1% we can show there. But those are the payouts. Some of them are still there. And I won't reveal this because, well, it's my plan. You want to know how to approach these pro firms. You can literally have different profiles. This is just a secret. I'm just giving you a secret. You can have a profile of your girlfriend with them. As long as you follow the rules with that profile of your girlfriend, you get another payout. Have a profile of your wife again, you get another payout. But I'm not supposed to say these things to you. It's not allowed. Sorry. Somebody says that's like an annual salary or half a bar. Anything, either girlfriend or wife, anything. It's up to life partnership. We partner anyhow. Whoever is willing to partner with you, my friend. Yes. I'm just being honest with you. You understand? Anybody who wants, even a friend, even a sister, whoever. So girlfriend is also part of your life now. Oh, I'm lying. Type respect on the chat. Continue, please. Type respect. My friend, I'm not a joke. Guys, I want you to go out there and defend my name. Say, put some respect on that man. Don't joke around that man. You don't know what you're talking about. Do you know who Bonang is? Tell them. Yeah. Now, I'm proud of myself. You see here, you come here. My friend, this is an updated payout recording. $30,000 from one company, but now it's almost 60,000 now. We are going for 500,000 payout from there. My friend, we don't play. $4,000, $4,000, $5,000, $4,000. We don't count cents. 255,000 payout from this company. There is more. 173,000. You see that 173,000, this one. It's not a joke. Again, another Comet Capital payout. This one, 150,000. We're not going to count cents. This one, you know this one? Do you know this one? 505,000. You know this one? You know it. See this one? 100. You don't just put some respect on my name. Continue. Put some respect on my name. Hey, what can I say? No, I'm being positive today. And it's all about me today. I just want to show you how much of a gift I am to people. How much of a gift I am to people. And I'm not wicked. I'm not trying to be wicked. I cannot be wicked. But if you want me to be wicked, I can. By simply avoiding you and not talking to you again. Comet Capital doesn't have those things. IP rules for what? They don't do those things. Sorry. I am stuck on 10K account. I have had 5 payouts on it, but I'm scared of the bigger accounts. I don't know why. Can you give me advice? Why are you afraid of money? Okay, see, the same way you are scared of big money is the same way you should be scared of poverty. You see, poverty is painful, my friend. Poverty is not good. So the suffering you have been through, maybe you have not really suffered. So we are not seeing you this July. If you vote, if you put respect on my name, I'll be there. Now this July you are not gonna see me. But let's make a poll. But obviously that poll is favoring you. It's not favoring me. You see, that poll is literally favoring you, not me. You see where the problem is. Nah. If I say, should I be here? Or what? So Do not be scared of big accounts. Literally, big accounts are the ones that give you good money. I have got a book that I'm writing. It's almost going to be out. It's titled The 10 Prop Firm Commandments. 10 Prop Firm Commandments. It's just a page, I think around 15-page booklet, A5. You need that book. 10 Prop Firm Commandments. I'm giving it to you at a price. You must pay me because this is what I have done many times. So we are typing that book with Caroline. Very soon that book will be out. Right? As soon as that book is out, you must have it. 10 Prop Firm Commandments. You must know them. You must apply them. You must use them. I think in that 10 Prop Firm Commandments booklet, I have exposed a lot of things about prop firm. So when we use that prop firm, we become prop firm killers. You understand? Thank you. We ambush there. I am scared because the bigger challenges cost more. So if I preach, it eats my savings. But then growth means the growth cannot be coming from small. Growth comes from big. That's trading for you. The bigger the account, the more profits you make. That's just the reality of it anyway. So if you are going to be scared of big monies, whereas there is big monies in trading. So if you are scared of big monies, then it means then you don't understand the kind of business that you are involved in. This is a business that can make you a billionaire, a trillionaire, a quintillionaire, and you unlimited. So if you do it the right way and be fearless. So be fearless. Also, join our mentorship first. I think before you even talk about anything else, this stream cannot give you the full context of what we are eating at Bonang Financial Institute. This stream is just a bare minimum, little things that we teach you. But once you join the mentorship, you are going to enjoy yourself very well. So I think you must join our mentorship. We currently have a Father's discount, Father's Day discount valid until 30 June. That discount is 50% discount. Instead of paying me 15,000 for me to mentor you and educate you on the right path, you are going to simply pay 7.5. So it's just 50% of that before the 3rd of June. Then we educate you, we teach you, we show you even the strategies that you need to use, even the approach to the prop firm, and so forth and so forth. Let me show you our class. This year, I think we should have a boot camp. A boot camp where we really talk about a lot of things, is it? How is that, guys? How do we can do that, right? Where we literally have a boot camp. We can have a boot camp, right? Where we expose almost everything about BFI, this and that, and it could be for free, just for you to buy our course. You must buy our course. So here is our course. Let me show you how our course is like. This is how our course is outlined. There is what we call the Genesis wave. We are believers. We are not playing here. So we have got the Genesis wave. The Genesis wave is literally beginner theory, where we just give you theories. So it's 25 lessons, right? And then it's literally 3 hours 11 minutes to complete these 7 chapters. It's each and every video there is 2 minutes, 1 minute, and so there's a cartoon pastor there preaching and teaching you there. It's really not that much. It's a walkover. Then we have the Nasdaq June 2 focus, where it's hidden anyway. It's not available to the public for now, particularly because people should just master what is important. So this is just two chapters, 7 lessons. That's 1 hour 27 minutes, you see. And then we have got the guide, the hybrid met strategy. This is where everything matters. Phase 1, particularly for indices, US30 and Nasdaq. There we have got 5 chapters, 16 lessons, and then it takes 5 hours, 24 minutes to complete this only. So it's really not that much, but the value here, my friend, 5 hours of this, you don't understand. So it total could take you less than 12 hours to complete this. So and then we have got the phase 2, just a polish. That's the phase 2 of the hybrid math, based on the market condition of 2026, right? So there is a phase 2, particularly looking for entry to avoid drawdowns. It's not changing anything. And then we have got the BFI mathematicians. And then on the mathematicians, it's where you meet all the students now. We are interviewing them one by one, those who volunteer. It's not everyone. We have got private students. We have got presidents in our mentorship. Presidents who don't want to be known by the public that they are trading. We have taught presidents here. You don't know that I'm a prophet. So I meet high profile people. So some of them we might not interview them. Some are not comfortable based on the tax issues, this and that. Some of them don't even want to do public stuff, but we receive their successes and all. So whoever is within BFI and is willing to give us testimonials and the interviews that they feel like their story can inspire people, how they came across BFI and how BFI changed them after so many years of suffering. So we have got 2 so far, 8 years of struggle and 7 years of struggle stories there. And then there's another lesson here that I added, which is the prop firm red flags. So these ones are literally links. You just click and play. These videos are also public available. Like tonight, we have got an interview of one of our students as well who joined us, and then that's it. And then we have got the BFI expansion theory coming soon. This one just updated, and then it's just coming soon, particularly because I'm still editing the videos of the gold entry. This one is literally for gold, right? So also it's going to be less than 2 hours of completion of this class. So this course, then it becomes lifetime, where you now join our trading floor. Trading floor is our Zoom session where we trade live on Zoom session on a private link, and so forth and so forth and so forth. That's how our classes are outlined. So you can join and be part of those classes, and you lose nothing, you gain a lot out of them. And then tonight, guys, I think I'm done, and please don't forget to join this interview, exclusive interview of one of our students, Michelle D, trader success, withdrawal 1096 gained, and then exclusively here on BFI TV. Now it's tonight around 8 p.m. That's her story she'll be sharing there, and very inspiring story. We have a student there who showed us that successful trade yesterday on US30. These people have been taught the strategy. They are literally following that strategy, and they enjoy themselves right there. Look at that. That was Commit Capital Medat. Look at that entry there. So we continue bringing you the best we can. We try our best we can. We have got emails each and every time we finish our streams. We email our members, emailing system, telling them we are done, and then what do we learn today. Thank you for joining me during the London and New York session. The trading floor is now officially closed. We witnessed some beautiful opportunities today across Nasdaq and US30. Targets were hit, and full TP targets were also hit on US30. The lesson we are taking home today is position sizing. Many traders focus on entries, but professional traders understand that survival comes before profit. Right? Size your position in such a way that you can withstand normal market fluctuations, widening, and manipulation before the actual direction drive occurs. Remember, a good entry can be destroyed by poor position sizing, but proper position sizing can protect even an imperfect entry. That's me, Prophet Bonang. They allow the market the room to breathe. Do not place yourself in a position where a minor price movements force you out before the real move begins. Trade with patience, trade with discipline, trade with mathematics. Now, normal position, we are talking chart billings got funded. One of our student again, this month, 23 June, he is funded. One, these are the people who joined. They are new students, these ones. But there we go, these are their results. Then we have got payouts from different students coming in. We have got one of our students being part of the live people who were called from that one. That is a past account from me. That's my performance there with the 4 million rand account. This account, you can see no loss at all. No loss every day. Day number 5, profit, 100K in a day, 62K, 55K, 50K, 10K. This was 2 days, only 1 day, 17, 2 trades. So if we say 60, 55, 62, and 99 equals to 277,000 only in 4 trading days. You can see that is 4 trading days. That's my performance on this account. So think of what I can do, and then I check the consistency. If I qualified, day number 1 was 60,000 rand, and then day number 2 was 62,000 rand, 55,000 rand, and then day number 3 was 99,000. Right, and then it says I'm 35%, not for 40%. That means I qualified this. So that was their consistency rule. These are the results. And then we have got payouts from students. And this is a guy trading live accounts on TopStep. He's not like any other. He's one of my students. He has withdrawn I don't know how much from these guys on a live. 9 June, $1,200 as well. He's on live. You don't know what it takes to be on live on TopStep. This is me again. This is from TopStep. When was this? 8 June this month again. 4,049. That's around 87,000 rand, my friend. We continue. Let's continue. One of our students again, Harrison. There we go. Harrison passed funded futures 4 June. So we are waiting for payout there. We are waiting for those payout certificate, my friend. There we go. 2 funded accounts on my side, $10,000. That's me there. And then we have got Matthew as well. I said he must post his 3,000 withdrawal. He didn't post. He only posted this, but he got a $3,000 payout. This one of our students as well. Then we move. Harrison, we move. It seems like this one also is our student. And then what can we say when the maths is maths? There we go. One of our students. We haven't received any results from some are quiet, some they move. This is gold. Look at that gold movement from the same bet strategy. And then we move. We have got this guy. This is the top step live funded trader from our mentorship as well, $1,000 something. So this is BFI, my friend. BFI does not play. And then this is a trade running, $1,200, my trade. And then we have another trade, $1,000, another trade of mine there, another trade of mine there running, $1,000, another trade of mine. Then we have got different. Look at this guy. Never doubt the maths. This is 13/05, 2026. Look at that. 3,000, 6 April, and then we have got another one, $2,000 every. Look at that. This is the same guy, live trader with TopStep, $5,000. May 12 May. Our student again. If you click this, I think Jackson must come to our interview as well. He's in the US. This guy, he must come to our mentorship. To our interview as well, so that he can be part of those stories. And we have got a lot, What else can we say? They are dancing. You see them, Slazies are dancing. So you can join. It's a community chat. You can actually see their progress there every day. Okay, so join our mentorship and learn, be mentored, and then so that the fear of big numbers can come out. You see others are withdrawing $5,000, one withdrawal. That is in 5 days. So you can't be scared of money. And also you have a strategy that gives you good money. This strategy, entering there, my friend, with a big lot, going there knowing very well that we are going to hit that TP. This is one of the best things that you can ever get. Type some respect. Type respect, then I go. Type respect there, then I go. Is there now we are talking too much. So boot camp. bootcamp, 20K USD account. Yeah, it's very important. All right. What are you saying? Nah, this is not financial guy is giving me stress. Nah, Mr. Not financial guy is giving me stress because I tried purchasing 25K and only got a 20K, and I'm trading it as we speak. Yeah. So if you can be profitable on a small account, then it means you can be profitable on a very big account as well. So you are doing very well. Okay, so I think that's it. Type respect, then that's how I go, guys. You say goodbye to me by those words, right? So we are done. This is our last stream of the day, 1 hour 35. Next week there is no stream. That's it. We are done. We'll see you August. But I will be here on Monday for a daily devotion. It's a religious program. We just read the Bible. I pray for you. Come back the following Monday. Come back the following Monday. So you'll be only seeing me on the preaching program, not on the streaming of Forex program. Respect. All right? That's a W stream, respect stream. Understand? Respect. Respect, Prophet. Thank you for your fruitful stream. Thank you. Guys, there we go. I'm still holding those cells, as you can see. Buys holding them, buys holding them. And then I might buy for a gap up on indices. And then I call it a week for me. Respect, respect, respect. That's our new slogan. Respect, respect, respect. From me to you guys, you are highly, highly appreciated. Highly, highly valued. I love you all with the love of Christ. Take care of yourself. I leave you in the presence of the Lord, expecting to meet you again in the presence of our Master. Bye-bye.
See ya.